This project is the Southern Reinforcement Pipeline Project. It's a 14-mile pipeline that runs from Clarksville, Maryland to Laurel. We started this project in late July of 2011 and are just completing it in February of 2012. The Southern Reinforcement Pipeline will bring a new supply of natural gas to residents in 5 counties, serving approximately 200,000 BGE customers. We design our gas distribution system so that it's capable of serving all of our customers on the coldest days we see in this region. Behind me, they've finished purging the pipeline with nitrogen and natural gas for a segment of approximately 3.5 miles. Now they're getting ready to take the pipeline from a pressure of 20 pounds up to approximately 250 pounds, which is the operating pressure for this line. Once we're finished purging and gassing the pipeline up to its final pressure, we will ride the pipeline to survey for any potential methane leaks. It's an extra check we do in addition to testing the pipeline, just as a double check to make sure the pipeline is of good integrity.
We're out here on site at the Southern Reinforcement, getting ready to perform the final survey on segment 3. This is our we affectionately refer to it as the buggy, and you'll notice on the front of the buggy we have what they call the Optical Methane Detector. It's the OMD unit. Under normal conditions we'd be using that to perform the survey. Just because of the terrain and the conditions out here, we're going to be utilizing another one of our devices that we use for leak detection. And that's called the RMLD, or the Remote Methane Laser Detector. And what that does, it's broadcasts a laser signal about 20 inches wide, and they're going to be running that. They're going to be driving in parallel to the pipeline, and they'll be able to pick up any issues if there's any leak detected on any of the pipeline.
From an environmental standpoint, this project did impact a pretty good swath of the county. Some of the things we did to limit our impacts is use timber wetland mats so that equipment could cross over top of the wetlands without further disturbing them. We also use directional drilling to totally avoid impacts to many large wetland areas and stream crossings. We've installed sediment erosion control, fencing, as well as construction entrances to try to keep our sediment on the work site. A project of this size has quite an impact on the community. Some of the things we've done to try to keep the community well informed is post weekly updates at bge.com. We've also provided updates through social media like Twitter and Facebook. We've also held community meetings to keep the community informed and address any concerns the community might have, as well as interacted with public officials to make sure they're aware of what's going on with the project.
We're opening the last valve that gasses up Southern Reinforcement from Clarksville to Laurel.